Hi guys, welcome to your maths video for the 1st of March 2021. We're going to go straight into your video today. So we're going to go straight into the arithmetic. Bear with me. I actually have just done the worst thing imaginable, and that's sit here and do the whole maths video and realized I hadn't pressed record. So I'm going to share the screen with you now. Here are your questions for today. Pause the video now and then answer the questions. Okay, welcome back. Let's go through the answers very, very quickly so we can get on with what we're doing today. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Half of 120 is 60. 67 as a Roman numeral is LXVII. 3 ninths plus 5 ninths is equal to 8 ninths. 6 times 6 is 36. 16 divided by 4 is 4. An equivalent fraction here, if we times this whole fraction by 2, we get 6 over 14. You could times it by 3 or 4. As long as you've times the numerator and denominator by the same number, you'll get the right answer. Here we've got 7,779. And then for here, we've got 2,283. Then our last question here, 24 divided by 8 is also 3. Well done if you got them all correct. Now, our videos this week are all going to be investigations. So the videos are not going to be very long because I want you to have as much time as possible to work out these investigations or to carry them out. First investigation is called the division rules. Now, here we've I need to rub this all out. So here we've got a way of working out division. And this is the way that I taught you earlier on in the month. So we divided 124 into 4. Now we've got our 4 groups, but we cannot divide 100 into the 100 group because there's 4 of them, we've only got 1. So we need to exchange this 100 into 10 tens. So we put them into the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We then have 2 more tens left over that go into our tens group. We now go to our ones and we've got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have shared these out equally. We've got 31 in each group. So 124 divided by 4 is equal to 31. We can also use a bus stop method that we haven't actually taught you, but I know a lot of you are doing it. So let's quickly go through it. You draw your bus stop like this. Our divisor, which is 6, goes on the outside, and our dividing goes in the middle is the number we are dividing. We then go, how many 6s go into 1? 6 doesn't go into 1, does it? We can't fit, so there's nothing. So that 1, we now exchange and goes over to the tens column. How many 6s go into 14? We know that 2 go into 14 exactly because 2 times 6 is 12. That gives, and then we count up to the remainder to 14, which gives us a remainder of 2. Because 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Now, how many 6s go into 24? The answer is 4. There are no remainders, so therefore 6 into 24, 144 is 24. Now your investigation. You need to pick a number that you're going to divide by. This is called a divisor. So I'm going to pick 3. So 3 is my divisor. Next, you need to generate a 3-digit number to divide, and this is called the dividend. You may want to use dice, or you may want to use a generator that you can find online. I did have dice on my screen earlier. They seem to have disappeared. I don't know where they've gone. Great. So I actually did this video before. I rolled a dice and I got 424 divided by 3. And my answer was 141, remainder 1. I then did it again, keeping the divisors the same, but I changed my 3-digit number to 231 divided by 3, and that gave me 77. You carry on doing this, do it about 6 or 7 times, and then start thinking about what patterns are you noticing. When is the answer a whole number? When is there a remainder of 1? Are there any patterns that you can spot, and can you come up with any rules? Like I say, you don't have to put this work up onto Tapestry, but you may do if you want. So that's what you're doing for today. You're dividing 3-digit numbers by a 1-digit number, and you're trying to spot if there are any patterns or rules. That table there will be on Teams for you to access if you want to use it. All right, then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.